Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. Why do invoices always look so confident? Because they already know you're going to pay them, just maybe not on time. Now let's get straight into pricing, because this is where most people decide whether to stay or click away. Starting with Invoicera, the pricing is clearly structured for businesses that expect growth or already manage multiple clients. Invoicera offers 4 main plans billed monthly. The starter plan costs $19 per organization per month. This plan includes unlimited invoices for up to 100 clients, 1 staff member, unlimited estimates, recurring invoices, and discounted business setup support. Moving up, the business plan costs $49 per organization per month. This tier expands capacity significantly, allowing unlimited invoices for up to 1,000 clients and up to 10 staff members. It also unlocks API access, which is essential for businesses that need custom integrations or system automation. The enterprise plan comes in at $99 per organization per month. This plan supports up to 2,000 clients, 20 staff members, batch PDF exports, and more advanced automation features for high-volume billing operations. At the top is the Infinite plan, priced at $149 per organization per month. This plan removes client limits entirely, allows unlimited staff members, and includes custom integrations and development support. Across all plans, Invoicera also charges add-ons such as $9 per additional team member per month and $10 per extra 100 clients per month. This pricing structure makes it clear that Invoicera is designed for scaling businesses rather than casual or occasional invoicing. Now let's compare that with Wave's pricing, which feels almost shockingly simple by comparison. Wave's starter plan is completely free, $0 per month. With this plan, you can create unlimited estimates, invoices, bills, and bookkeeping records. You can also accept online payments with fees of 2.9% plus 60 cents per credit card transaction, or 3.4% plus 60 cents for American Express. You also get mobile invoicing and a clean dashboard to manage customers and cash flow. Wave also offers a Pro plan, which is currently priced at $9.50 per month in the promotional period shown. This discounted rate applies for the first 3 months, saving $28.50 during that period. The Pro plan includes everything in Starter, plus discounted payment processing fees, automatic bank transaction imports, automatic categorization, unlimited receipt scanning, expense tracking, and automated late payment reminders. Even at full price later, Wave remains dramatically cheaper than most competitors. Now shifting into Invoicera's features, this is where the platform truly separates itself. Invoicera offers deep invoice customization, advanced recurring billing, multi-currency support, and complex tax handling. Built-in time tracking and expense tracking link directly to invoices, making it ideal for agencies and consultants. Client portals allow customers to view, download, and pay invoices, while internal approval workflows help teams control billing processes. Invoicera also includes detailed financial reports that break down revenue by client, project, or time period. Integrations with CRMS, accounting platforms, and payment gateways allow it to fit into larger business systems. This makes Invoicera feel less like a tool and more like a billing infrastructure. When it comes to pros and cons, Invoicera's biggest strength is flexibility and scalability. It handles complex billing extremely well and grows with your business. The downside is complexity. New users may feel overwhelmed, and smaller businesses may pay for features they never fully use. Costs can also increase quickly as client counts and staff grow. Now let's fully shift our attention to Wave and break down what it actually delivers in everyday use. Wave is designed for people who don't want to feel like they're running an accounting department just to send an invoice. From the moment you log in, the interface feels clean, calm, and unintimidating. Everything is written in plain language, making it easy for freelancers, solo business owners, and small teams to understand what's happening with their money at a glance. Wave's core features include invoicing, bookkeeping records, income and expense tracking, receipt capture, and basic financial reports. You can create unlimited invoices and estimates, customize them with your logo, and send them directly to clients in just a few clicks. Recurring invoices make it easy to bill repeat clients without manual follow-ups, and the mobile app allows you to send invoices on the go, which is especially useful for service providers who work outside an office. Online payments are built directly into Wave. Clients can pay by credit card or bank transfer, and once a payment is made, it's automatically recorded in your books. This removes the need for double entry and reduces accounting errors. Wave also provides a centralized dashboard where you can see unpaid invoices, recent transactions, and overall cash flow without digging through reports. Wave's Pro plan adds automation while keeping the platform simple. Automatic bank transaction imports sync your accounts, saving hours of manual data entry. Transactions can be auto-categorized, receipts can be digitally captured and stored, and expenses are tracked automatically. One standout feature is automated late payment reminders, which quietly follow up with clients without you needing to chase payments manually. Now let's talk about Wave's pros and cons honestly. The biggest advantage is pricing. Having free access to invoicing and bookkeeping is extremely rare, and Wave delivers real functionality without forcing users into subscriptions. It's easy to learn, quick to set up, and ideal for people who want results without complexity. The low monthly cost of the Pro plan also makes automation accessible to very small businesses. However, Wave isn't built for complex operations. It lacks advanced workflow approvals, deep project-based billing, time tracking, and extensive integrations. Customization options are limited compared to platforms like Invoicera, and reporting is more basic. For growing agencies or teams with layered billing structures, Wave may eventually feel restrictive. Customer support is another trade-off. Because Wave is free or low cost, support options are more limited than premium platforms. Most users won't need frequent help, but when issues arise, response times may not match enterprise software expectations. When it comes to ratings, both Wave and Invoicera perform well on platforms like Capterra. Wave consistently earns high marks for ease of use, affordability, and value for money, particularly from freelancers and small business owners. Invoicera is frequently praised for power, flexibility, and automation. Ratings can change over time, and some figures may not be officially published, so always check the latest reviews directly on Capterra before deciding. Now for the final takeaway. If your priority is simplicity, low cost, and getting invoices out fast without committing to monthly fees, Wave is an excellent choice. If your business grows into more complex billing needs, you may eventually outgrow it. Click the link below to explore Wave and Invoicera yourself. Test the features hands-on and choose the software that fits your workflow, budget, and long-term business plans best.